Hey everyone, back with another video. This time we have some unfortunate news for anyone who likes testing out software. Um, but before I continue, if you are interested in knowing more about tech or any problems with tech, please subscribe to the channel as it will help me and help you stay up to date with the latest tech and rumors and problems and so much more. And let's get started with today's video. Today, January 3rd, Apple released beta 2 of iOS 17.3. And the main problem, as you can see, is what we call boot looping. Boot looping is where a phone or a device is on a black screen and there's a spinning wheel, and that spinning wheel never moves forward to the next step, or it's just stuck on the spinning wheel. And the fix to this is basically going to be just downgrade to the last version of the OS. So if you like to test beta versions, so go back to beta 1, iOS 17.3 beta 1, or any version before that. They're they're trying to fix that problem, and so they recommend Apple recommends that don't upgrade to 17.3 iOS 17.3 until that problem is fixed. We actually caught this error or bug um, early in the process, and they're trying to fix it. And yeah, that's it, guys. If you like tech and want to stay up to date with tech, please subscribe to the channel as it will help me and you stay up to date. And leave a like on the and comment your thoughts on this. I'll see you on the next one.